Oh, this is awesome birthday. I want to surprise him. I want to give him. I'm gonna shower you. Oh, go, go, go. Ang bagay ko siya. Ganda ka. Dahil birthday, wearing ka ng iPad. Ito, ganda. Oh, diba? So, wait lang guys. I-re-refund ko lang. Ma. Oh, little sweetheart. Wake up, sweetheart. Good morning, Lola. My birthday is now. Where's my gift? Birthday mo ba? Hindi namin alam. Your daddy told me your birthday is July. My birthday is now. Why your July birthday? I don't think so. Let's go to your home and you can dress okay. Let's go. The gift is over. Sabay tayo, sabay. So, the better. Ayaw ba naman? Yeah. So, dito na yung house ko. Naghintay lang ako na may magpasakay ng drive sa magkalapit na yung bahay namin sa coffee shop namin kasi ayaw malayo. Ayun na. OMG. This is not present diet. OIG. GGRRRRR. Mommy, it's my birthday. Why is your birthday? I think so. Okay, so, so, baba na ako. Balikan ko kayo. Sa coffee shop ng magkano. Excited na ako guys sa birthday celebration. Kaya wala di iri sa balay. Wala ngay magka. As in, na-flepos ko kasi na kapag nagtitira ako doon naman. I will stop after I go back here. Bicara ako kasi birthday ni Saya kahapon. And the party is over. The birthday na naman ni Alex Tingley kayo. Kasi 1, 2, 3 surprise! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yay! Kala ko happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday palangga! Ang ganda-ganda ba? Wow! Akala ko hindi na ako makakapag-birthday. Ang daming regalo. Kain na tayo. Gutom na ako.